Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Here's the trade I took today. I'll describe it later. Super quickie on Ford, which now looks, that was on volume, that's now volumed. I think I'll subscribe to real-time data because I want to see what happened here. 1087, high 1087, but this like visibly higher, and this has a bigger volume, and I doubt whether that's a real volume or not. But anyhow, now we have a transition extremum, so volume distribution is not short, it's long. That's why I did this like super quick, less than 2 hour again, 167, because there was this volume here. But now let's see what really happens. First of all, let me download this image so that I have something to compare. I want to subscribe to real-time data and see if it will change the picture for me. You know what I mean? And look, hold on. So I want to keep this charting just on the table for funsies. In hindsight, I should have, of course, taken 2R. It's right there. Could have been a deal breaker. But anywho, good job. It's like my second one. Look. Booms, booms, while keeping the position, maxing out on my opportunity, borrowing stock for myself from myself to short. But yeah, this now has a volume. Still, that's the biggest volume, but something is going on here, and I'll tell you why in a sec. I was looking at this guy. Look, that was a trade with but this volume, man, that was super alarming. That would have worked though. That would have worked. But this volume, no way, no way. No, I wouldn't do it. There is no chance I would have taken it. Yeah, last. I think that's the volume. Or maybe in this specific case, who knows? Who knows? Maybe that's the volume. I think it's this anyway. Last volume of the hour of the day doesn't count. Yeah, no, let's I wouldn't take it. There's no freaking way. And you guys, I'm on a dating show on July 1st. And actually just booked a theater. Just booked the theater. I'll let you know the details. For all of you who are in LA, wanna come and see me, come by. Yeah, so that's this right now. I'm back to theater. Didn't last 2 months. Didn't last 2 months without the theater. Yeah, let's keep it. This guy's still trying to figure out what he wants to do. I mean, like that. That's a funny little level. Right here. I don't think anything will come out of it really, but yeah, Google. Baboosh. Not bad. Too high for hour, no context for hour, and nothing to work off on minutes. Yeah. Boom, boom. Just murdered it. Train wrecked. No chance. Absolutely no chance. Boom. That was an entry. Mm-hmm. That was an entry. Boom. That was a rich market today, huh? That's a rich market. This volume is weird now, so never mind. Okay. This is too high by all measures. By daily, by hourly, daily. Yeah, that was too high anyways. So, yeah. Then minutes. Yeah, you see how high this level is. So booms. Well, yeah, technically transition extremum. Oil. Yeah. Dollar. Qs. Yeah. SPY. IWM. Volumed counter trend. 1 bar rule. Fuzzy magnet. Magnet was a trade here, right? No, there weren't. There wasn't. Like Pfizer. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, it needs to come here and spring this low on Pfizer. Also, let's see if real-time data shows me some clearer picture so they could say, ah, that's because I was saving $10 a month. I didn't get a real data because the one you receive without the real-time data subscription is CBOX exchange. It's not coming from say NYSE and this, not from New York Stock Exchange, but some like digital CBOX, which is like emulates around like 30% of the regular volume. It's my understanding. Yeah. That was an entry. Very quick. Shorty, 1 bar reversal. Unvolumed. Yeah, I wouldn't take it. I wouldn't take it. Самолет, Intel. Gives a volume. Counter trend. Next week is gonna be interesting. And close of the month as well. And Fjord, now is volume. Now is volume. Now is volume. Yeah, I'm just curious to see how the real data volume will look like. Technically it broke. First sign of reversal. Practically, of course. And volumed. Yeah. This guy. Yeah. All eyes on Diageo. Sorry. And there's the volume already. Diageo. Diageo? Diageo. I don't know. Too high. Too high. Sorry. Can't do anything about it. Sexy. And it's a break. And it's a 1 bar roll. And it's a break and 1 bar roll. Yeah. It's good in continuation of the trend. Now. ZTS. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Technically, $5.79. $5.79. Well, technically, if this closes bullish, that's good for a trade. It's in a balance one way or another, whichever way you see it. Whichever way you see it, it's a balance. One barrel. And actually here even. It is good. For investment trade. I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. 579. Where's 579? 579. It's a nice, good accumulation here. Technically, it's a volume spring. Didn't give us a test, and then this volume is good. Yeah, but it's not the... It's an hourly volume, not... I don't see why I should not be... It's a nice accumulation here. I think I should take it. It was expanding T1, T2. I waited for my test. Yeah, I think I should open the position in 5 minutes. I think I should open the position. Trend, trade, long impulse, and that's it. And correction. Investment. ZTS? What is ZTS? Trend. Yeah, long impulse correction. Oops. Yeah, what is ZTS? Zotis. Medicines, vaccines, pharma. New Jersey. $1.25 dividend. Everyone gets stuck on this guy. Gets stuck. Trend, trade, long impulse. Support level. That's about all I got. And what is this? Support level, T2 level, but it contradicts. Either way, it's T2 level. Here or there. Yeah, in our dailies. And conservative trend. Trade, long impulse, 579. Yeah, let's open the position then. What can I say? What can I say? Except you're welcome. ZTS. I'm filled. I'm filled at 156. 59. Long impulse expanding T2 support level. support level correction, volumed spring, 1 bar spring, weak test, first bullish or close entry, calculate affordable stop limit, wanted to restore take profit. Yeah, that's my game. That's my game. And my actual entry is 618. Okay. Markets are closed, and it's a conservative trade. Link. Conservative trade with a spring. 1, 2, 2 risk to reward, take profit. Okay. Okay. 160.56. Okay. All right. Let's share it with the world. And I also start sharing to my Instagram, actually. Have a new thingy. Yeah. ZTS, 1 day investment, conservative trend trade. Monthly trend. Monthly trend, yearly trend. Okay. Long trend wave technical. GGS. So it is long setup waves. Volume spread analysis, support and resistance zones, Y cuff, of course. Big profit. ZTS. I never played ZTS. Traded ZTS. Let's link it to Fjord. Yeah. And share to Twitter. Share to Facebook. And you'll see it on my, hold on. Okay. Okay, that's my trade for today. What else do we have? It's scary to add while spies there, but playing by the book. Jets too high. Boom. Good for counter trend. Good for counter trend. Up to here. Yeah, something in the vicinity of this. Let's keep it on the map. Little fun just for counter trend. Yeah. Boom. Comcast. No context on hourly. Didn't give me nothing on the minutes. Just look at this guy. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah, the rest I'll see later. Okay, good catch. And I'll put my few-hour trade. I'll have to document it. Okay, guys. Trade responsibly on your own. Carry out your decisions at your own sole discretion. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people.